Hi, it's been a while since I did a video like this. I'm finally back, so let's just get into it. So let's do a super easy, Desi, simple eye look today. As always, I'm starting with a kajal on my waterline. I like to build up my kajal on the waterline, just a couple of layers so it lasts longer and doesn't fade easily. I am using the same kajal as my liner, nothing precise, just roughly applying it. And then I'm smudging it out with a cotton tip. No brushes today, keeping it super easy for you guys. Okay, wait, let's do a quick little transition. Okay, now I'm taking a brown shade on the same cotton tip and blending the edges of the kajal. This just softens the kajal and gives that smoky effect without trying too hard. And if you want to further blend the edges, you can always go in with your fingers. And I like to go back in with kajal one more time to deepen everything. This step really makes your eyes pop. I'm adding a small wing now, nothing too sharp, just a tiny lift at the corner. Now for the lower lash line, I am using a dark brown shade and blending it further with a light orangish brown kind of a shade to make it look soft and more diffused. Okay, so going back in with the kajal one last time just to darken the waterline. And now my favorite part, mascara. This makes the biggest difference honestly. I'm taking my time here, top lashes, bottom lashes, really separating everything. And this mascara was actually sent to me in the PR, but I have genuinely been using it almost every day now. It gives really nice length and just the right amount of volume without making my lashes feel heavy. And removing it is super easy. It's not waterproof, which I actually love for daily use. And whatever is left, I'm just brushing it through my brows for a natural hold. And this is the final look. It's super simple and something you can do literally anytime. Also, thank you for being here. Hope you guys like this and I'll see you very soon.